In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CPR in TradingView. CPR, or Central Pivot Range, is a popular support and resistance framework that many traders use to frame intraday bias and key reaction zones. I'll walk you through how to locate it in TradingView, choose a version that fits your style, and adjust its display so it works cleanly on your charts. Start by opening your browser and searching for TradingView. From the results, select the official TradingView site, the one that says Track All Markets. That will take you to the home page. At the top, open the Products menu. From there, head into the Charting workspace. Once the chart loads, look toward the top toolbar and click Indicators. This is where you can add any study or community script to your chart. In the search box, type CPR. You'll see multiple results from the TradingView community, each with its own author and description. Choose the one you want by clicking it once. A quick tip as you browse: look for scripts with clear descriptions, recent updates, and positive community feedback. Some versions might include optional features like pivot extensions or daily weekly toggles. Pick the one that matches your needs. Once the CPR appears on the chart, you can quickly show or hide it using the hide icon next to the indicator's name in the chart panel. Hiding is handy when you want to declutter your view without removing your settings. To customize it, click the settings gear for that CPR indicator. In the settings window, start with inputs. This tab controls how the CPR is calculated and any extra options the author has exposed, such as session choices or whether to plot additional lines. Next, switch to style. Here you can change colors, line thickness, and visibility of individual elements so the CPR stands out against your background and other studies. Then review visibility. This lets you specify on which timeframes the CPR should appear, keeping your lower or higher timeframe charts clean. When you're happy with the adjustments, click OK to apply and close the panel. If you decide you don't need the indicator anymore, use the delete icon next to its name to remove it from the chart. You can always add it back later through the indicators menu and your recent or favorites list if you've started. That's it. You found CPR in TradingView, added it to your chart, learned how to hide it, customized it through inputs, style, and visibility, and removed it when finished. Keep your layout simple and let the CPR complement your existing process rather than overwhelm the chart.